Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is. So here what is the meaning of this question? Means here one linear equation is there. What is the linear equation? 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So you have to write one more equation. So which one you want? Intersecting lines you want. So here already is given one equation. So we have to write one more equation. We have to write one more equation. That equation graphically intersecting lines want. Intersecting lines means what is the qualities here? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 means it is a intersecting lines. So A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 type of number only we have to take it. That one you will get intersecting lines. Next, coincident lines. Coincident lines means all are equal. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Next, parallel lines. Parallel lines means these two want equal. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. So first, what is the first question? Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means what? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So this one you have to mention what is there. See here, A1 by A2 it is not equal to B1 by B2. Like that you have to keep in your mind and you have to form one more equation. See here, this both not equal. Here 2x is there. You take one more number. One more number means here I am taking 5x. Plus is there, plus only you take it. Next here 3y is there. Take one more number, 4y. Minus 8 is there. So this one we don't want. So you take any another number. So I am taking minus 3 equal to 0. This is the second equation. Not only this number, any number you form it, but this one you keep in your mind and you have to form it. Here 2x is there. Here you take 6x. Here 3y is there. You take 7y. Next here 8 is there. You take 9. These both are not equal. Came is finished. Your equation is correct. So here 2x. I am taking 5x. 3y is there. Different number you take 4y. Minus 8 is there. This one you take any minus 3, minus 7. Any one you take it. So it is right or wrong also we have to find it. See here A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So we want A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. A1 means what? 2. By B1, A2 means 5. It is not equal to B1. What is there? 3. B2 what is there? 4. See, observe here. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So these two lines we did graph means we will get which type of lines? Intersecting lines you will get. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 means you will get the intersecting lines. This is the answer. So next question, what is that? Parallel lines. Parallel lines means what? What is the parallel lines? See here, parallel lines means what is there? Here is the, where is the parallel lines? Parallel lines meaning what? B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. You have to take it. So same question I am writing here. 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So what is the quality we want? Parallel lines means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. So this both you want equal. Equal means what? Here 2x is there. 2x means you take double. Double means a double, not triple. Anyone you take, but same you have to take it. 2x is there. I am taking double. 2 double 4x. Plus is there. You take plus only. Here 3y is there. 3 to the 6y. But here you don't want. Here you want not equal. Here equal came. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. But here don't want equal. This one you do triple. Not triple. 4 times also you do, no problem. For 3 times means 8 3 is 24 equal to 0. So you have to think and take this both equal want, this both not equal want. So now which equation we did? We only formed 4x plus 6y minus 24 is equal to 0. Which type of lines this is? Which type of lines is there? Means this is parallel lines. This is the parallel lines. See here. Now our answer right or wrong also we have to think it. See here, A1 by A2, 2 by 4. It is equal to B1 by B2. B1 means 3 by 6. And next it is not equal to minus 8. C1 by C2 means minus 8 by minus 24. Cancel possible means cancel it. 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2. 3 1s are 3 2s are. It is equal to 1 by 2. Minus minus cancel. 8 1s are 8 3s are. It is not equal to 1 by 3. So this is our forming the equation. Not this number, any number you think and take it. So this is the second one. Next what we will do? Third one. Third one, which lines? Coincident lines. So first I will write the equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Which type of lines? This is coincident lines. Coincident lines means all you want equal. See here, coincident lines I am taking. So coincident lines means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. You think and take it. 2 times you do, 3 times you do, but everything you do same only. 2x is there. I am doing double. 2x means double 4x plus 3y double 3 to the 6y minus x 8 to the 16. Now it will be equalized. See here we will see a1 by a2 2 by 4. It is equal to b1 by b2 means 3 by 6. It is equal to c1 by c2 means minus 8 by minus 16. See here 2 ones are 2 twos, 3 ones are 3 twos, minus minus cancel, 8 ones are 8 twos. So every answer you are getting 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is which type of lines? Coincident lines. See, this is the fair notes, intersecting lines. You think and a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. You think and take it. This is also everything we will think and take it. b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. This is the parallel lines. This is the coincident lines. Coincident lines all equal. You take it.